I guess we gotta go up to the main door then?
Let's go in here. Let's go in here.
Oh.
Yeah, unlock this.
Yeah, but I thought you were done in there. Oh, you just slammed the door in my face.
Oh, sorry about that.
The fuck? Dude, this looks exactly like the mansion from the first game. This is a copy of the mansion from the first game. This is the dining room. There's the top floor. There's the fireplace where they find Chris's blood. Here's another diary. Did you read it?
I didn't really read it. I felt like it was personal. I didn't want to infringe on someone's
Patrick's memoirs. Come on.
personal life.
It's there to read, just like I did. See? Now I just got a password. Why would they put a password in their fucking diary?
Just scattered throughout the mansion too.
Blood. No blood. There's no blood here. Wonder who started the fire. Well, we didn't start it.
We didn't start the fire.
What's over here? A clock. Wasn't this clock part of a puzzle in the first game?
I believe so.
What's this shining inside of it? You see that? Ah, there was money in there.
Is that money?
Yeah, there was money in there.
Looks like a fucking Star of David or something.
Yeah. It's a leftover symbol from the Holocaust.
Two people can't go through the door at once.
What the fuck?
Someone has to be locked out.
That's stupid.
Change my weapon.
Go for it. Looks like we go up or down, but you came from up, right?
I went in this room. There was like a bathroom.
The bathroom?
I don't know if you have to use the bathroom.
It's in the boxes. I want to know.
Bodies.
It's the DLC from the next one. Nothing useful. They're telling me that the urinal's not useful.
That's the most useful thing in the whole thing.
I know. In certain situations, it's pretty fucking useful.
Can't take a dump in there, though.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Oh, yeah?
I've seen everything. I've seen it all.
Alright.
So this is the room you came from, right?
Yeah. Actually, I didn't go up here yet.
Oh, you didn't go up here yet? Oh. So I guess we should read this. Patrick's memoirs that I don't care about.
You want me here?
No, I think I have one already. Gee. I wonder if this could be a secret door. It doesn't stand out at all.
No, it's been a while.
How do you do it?
You gotta play. Look at this. It's the slowest secret door ever. You have to keep playing for the door to open? What the fuck? Hey, let's just... Oh, what'd you do?
It's the wrong button.
Stubbed your fucking finger.
Yeah, sorry.